Blockheads. I missed this bike. Alright, what's up guys? You should be seeing this video on a Saturday, so hey, happy weekend. If everything goes according to plan, you know, my schedule. So right now I'm headed up to Best Buy, and I'm going to buy something at Best Buy, and that something is for the next block box. So let me sing you the song of my people real quick. You got to, man, you're in an underpass. So if you're going under it, is it considered an underpass? But if you're going on top of it, is it considered an overpass? I'm confused. Turn on your lights, homie. Anyways, yeah, headed to Best Buy right now. I'm gonna pick up the next item for the block box, which is basically a box of goodies that I give away through Patreon. So Patreon, if you guys don't know, it's a way that people go beyond the subscribe button. You got this Blockhead community that is basically formed up around, you know, the channel, and then you got a Blockhead community that has, like I said, gone beyond the subscribe button, and they actually pledged to help support the creation of content. And so many people were signing up, you know, and it was doing so well that it was just kind of like, man, I want to give back to the community that basically is giving me so much opportunity. And so that's where the block box came from. Now the block box has been going on for like 4, 5, 6 months. I think we're on the 6th one or the 5th one, I can't remember. Anyways, last month partnered up with Get Lowered. We gave away a Shoei RFSR motorcycle helmet, you know, Snell rated, handcrafted, amazing, awesome Shoei helmet, which is what I'm wearing right now. Before that, partnered up with Senna. We gave away 2 Senna 30K communicators. So there was 2 people, Blockhead patrons, that were selected for that month to receive something. And then before that, gave away a GoPro Hero 5. And then before that, it started with a Blockhead garage banner, which is pretty crazy that it originated from that, and it's grown and grown and grown, right? And in addition, simultaneously, we're doing a Blockhead bike build. So basically, the block box is a thing that includes everybody. So that's, you know, domestic Blockhead patrons as well as international Blockhead patrons. So it's a worldwide thing. Meaning if you're worldwide, you want to get involved in it, all you have to do, go to patreon.com/Blockhead Moto, join in, pledge whatever you want to pledge, and you're entered. Easy as that. In addition to being entered for the block box and the Blockhead bike build, you also get some other stuff like behind the scenes access, the ability to like vote on stuff, from like what episodes I'll record, modifications. A lot of the times I go to Patreon and I ask that community, you know, like, what do you guys think of this, or should I do this or that? So yeah, there's a lot of like exclusive stuff that happens kind of beyond YouTube on Patreon. So it does have a couple of really cool perks. I have been trying to work out this thing to where I'm giving Patreon early access to videos, but there's a couple things I got to do in order to like figure that out, you know, time it out just right. So basically the way it works is, so if you're in the US within the contiguous 48 United States and you become a Blockhead patron, you're automatically entered to possibly be selected. Now, this is not a raffle. You're not paying for entries or anything like that. You know, just to be totally legal, right? You guys are pledging money to support the creation of content. Now, what I choose to do, I use that money to create content, right? So that basically goes towards anything motorcycle related, you know, in the community, from modifications to camera gear to anything like that, right? In addition, I choose to invest part of that and give back to you guys, because there's been such an overwhelming amount of support. Like, it originally started out as people just pledging money to the channel to help it grow, and a lot of people saying they wanted to buy me a beer because of like how-to videos and stuff, and so they were like, hey, I'm pledging this much, you know, buy a 6-pack, hope you enjoy it, because, you know, I'm never going to be in Australia or something to to have them buy me a 6-pack. I mean, we got patrons from all over. And then it grew and grew and grew to the point where it's like, you know what, like, I feel like giving this back. And so that's where the whole idea of the block box and the Blockhead bike build come from. So I basically get a box of items. There's one main item, and then there's a Blockhead t-shirt, there's a Blockhead key tag, there's Blockhead stickers, and usually like a random item here and there. Yeah, and then I basically like randomly select a person and give it away. I'm fuel efficient. I'm gonna park in fuel efficient parking because a motorcycle is very fuel efficient. This is my spot. My spot now. Best Buy. So yeah, that's what I do. You guys be sure to check out the official rules. I'm thinking they're not gonna let me walk around in here with a motorcycle on it. You know, seeing as security and electronics and all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off real quick.
How's it going?
Good. Just looking to pick up a Hero 6.
Keep my top first. Yeah. On the helmet?
Yeah, have I met you?
No.
No?
Blockhead?
Me?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good.
I actually bought my my iron because of you.
So just met Aaron up here at Best Buy. Super funny. Good to meet you, man. Super awesome to hear like people's stories. He said that he watched the How to Ride videos before he ended up taking his course, MSF course, and it helped him out a lot. So that's super cool. Big shout out to Aaron up here at Best Buy. Anyways, so bam, this is what the new block box item is. I know, not a lot of hype up, right? It's like, oh, what's it gonna be? We got to talking, and it kind of like I had to like stop the camera, but super cool dude, super friendly. There it is, guys. That's going to be the next block box. Drawing for this in October. So if you guys want to get in on it, be sure to join Patreon at patreon.com/blockheadmoto. Yeah, basically, if you're joined up there, you're automatically entered, and I will be randomly selecting somebody to give that to for helping me out, for helping support the creation of content. Giving back to you guys. Yo, Blockhead bike bag. These things are awesome. Check that out. See, like I need a little something more because it wouldn't fit. Throw it in here and then just swing it around and we're good to go. Super useful. That's so cool, man. Just like randomly meeting people. They keep the GoPros all like behind lock and key, right? So they're in this little glass case so that people can't just like scoop them up and walk away or whatever. And so, you know, I go in there and I'm like, hey man, like I just need some help. I'm buying a GoPro Hero 6 Black. And he's like, I recognize that voice. And I'm like, what? I'm just sitting there looking at him like, have I met you before? He's like, no. Super awesome, man. This freaking YouTube journey, it's just so rewarding, man. Like being able to meet people like Aaron there. Anyways, so that's the next block box, guys. A GoPro Hero 6 Black, which is actually the camera that I'm using right now to record. It's the latest and greatest by GoPro. And I gotta tell you guys, I absolutely love it for a couple of reasons. First reason being, the image stabilization is amazing, super good on the GoPro Hero 6. Second reason, the color grading, really super nice. So like, you know, during the daytime, actually probably even here at night, the colors, they really pop, they look really super nice. Super nice. And the third reason is it actually has pretty good low light performance. And I think it comes with a 32 gig micro SD card, I want to say. And the battery life on them is really good. So one battery, I don't know, give you a couple hours. And then if you have like, say, a 64 gig memory card on it, it'll give you almost 4 hours recording at 1080p, 60 frames per second in Super View. I mean, that's pretty damn good. This song of my people in 3, 2, 1. So anyways, if you guys want to join in on Patreon, like I said, it's just a way of me wanting to give back. And it helps the channel so much, man. It really helps to fuel this whole Blockhead community and, you know, this whole journey with motorcycles. You guys be sure to check out the link down below. Patreon.com/BlockheadMoto. Previously gave away a GoPro Hero 5, so I'm super stoked to be giving away a GoPro Hero 6. Because, man, it is such a good camera. If you guys have any questions, be sure to drop them down in the comments below. I'll answer to the best of my knowledge. All links should be down in the description below as well. Aaron, awesome to meet you, man. Hope you guys have enjoyed the episode. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.